Hello everyone! Recently, more and more people choose BuyersCircle as their e-commerce platform. Many people ask me to introduce this app. Today, let's do it! I will introduce the basic information of BuyersCircle and teach you how to download this app and set your store. Hope you guys like my video. BuyersCircle is Australia's leading social e-commerce platform. BuyersCircle exists to connect the community in the most convenient way with social e-commerce. By empowering everyone to shop, share, and earn online with one social e-commerce mobile app. As we all know, this app is suitable for the people who are willing to share good products to others and earn the reward money. Now, you only need to search BuyersCircle in the App Store or surf on the BuyersCircle official website to install it. After you download the app, register first. You can use your email address or use your Facebook account to sign up. If you are invited by your friends, don't forget to fill the referral code. After all of this, you will get your online shop right now. Okay, next video, I will share how to set up and decorate your shop. See you soon. Bye.